Hello, welcome to Sign Digital Materials. Come on inside. We're going to give you a quick tour today of our creative centre in Dublin, and we're going to show you why it's worth your while coming to visit us here at Sign Digital Materials. Come on through. At Sign Digital Materials, our mission is to make life as easy as possible for our customers and to help them grow their business. And we use our building here in Dublin, we call it our creative centre, to show customers what's possible with their large format digital printing and their sign making equipment. You can see as you walk around the building, we literally have every type of application that's possible on your large format printer displayed here. Every wall is wrapped, every floor is wrapped. Come on through. We got Paddy and Anna here. Say hi, guys. Hi. In our canteen here, for example, we've taken 6, 7 different materials and shown lots of different applications. We've got textiles, chalkboard materials, floor graphic materials. We even have the kitchen wraps. Inside here, we've got our creative centre, where we demonstrate all the latest in large format digital printing equipment. We've got the HP latex machines, we've got the full Roland range. Also on display, we've got our architectural display films. This is a huge new opportunity for sign makers, where the opportunity to wrap furniture, wrap walls, wrap doors. There's a huge market in this in retail, hospitality and home. Here's Derek. Derek looks after all our capital equipment here at Sign Digital Materials.
Hello, everybody.
When's a good time to drop in for a demo, Derek?
Look at 8 days a week.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Except on Mondays in Dublin.
Come on through. You can see here we've got the full range of Roland equipment on demonstration at all times. We don't just want to sell you a printer, we want to make sure that you can make money with your printer. So we'll advise you on all the materials, we'll advise you on the right machine for your business. Come on through here. Here we've got a full range of finishing equipment, always on display at Sign Digital Materials, and we're always able to show you how to save money when you're producing signs. This is Marcus. What Marcus doesn't know about sign making isn't worth knowing. Marcus, show us how good this machine is. That's why the rollover has been so successful for Sign Digital Materials. We've sold over 60 of those over the last 2 years. Come on through. This is Elaine. Elaine's one of our service engineers. At Sign Digital Materials, we can service all of your equipment, right? So when we sell you a machine, we're there to look after your equipment, no matter what the problem. Come on through. This is Pao, one of our warehouse guys. Hey, Pao. Hey, Yanis. At Sign Digital Materials, we're a very busy warehouse. In 2017, we took over 23,000 telephone calls and we produced over 27,000 orders, picked from our warehouse here in Dublin.
Hey, how's it going?
Not too bad. At Sign Digital Materials, we believe we can help our customers grow their business. So every Tuesday and Thursday, we run workshops here at Sign Digital Materials, educating our customers on how best to market their business, where the opportunities are in large format digital printing. We also believe to have a great team at Sign Digital Materials, we need to train and educate our own staff. So we're constantly training our staff so they can offer you the best advice. At Sign Digital Materials, we can also offer you application training. Application training on vehicle graphics, architectural films, right down to the most basic training applications that's required for your staff. Just give us a call. We've got great guys like Pav here who are available to come to your location and train up your staff. Come on through, we'll show you some more things. Okay, at Sign Digital Materials, we're really excited about all the opportunities that are available in the large format digital printing world. We'd love the opportunity for you to come and visit us here at Sign Digital Materials so we can show you around our Dublin Creative Centre. We also have a Creative Centre in Northern Ireland, in Antrim. In fact, we'd love you to come and see that. So why don't you join us now and we're going to go and visit our Creative Centre in Northern Ireland. Come on, we're going to jump in the Space Cruiser. See you guys!
Boom, and there he goes. Leo blasts into space in his space cruiser, heading northwards, before eventually landing right outside the Creative Centre in Antrim. Now, you could, of course, just drive up the road for a mere 2 hours on the M1.
Whoa, we made it! Welcome to Northern Ireland and our Antrim Creative Centre. When you visit our Creative Centre in Antrim, we promise you a wow experience. Our Creative Centres are much more than just a showroom. Our Creative Centres are here for you, to enable you to find the best solutions, receive training and demonstrations on cutting-edge print and finishing equipment. get inspirational ideas and learn how to best drive profits in your business. So much is happening and changing so fast in our industry that we strongly encourage you to come back and visit us in our Creative Centre again and again throughout the year. This way we can help you keep your finger on the pulse of all the latest developments in the fast-growing, exciting industry. And it's even better than this, because in addition to the warm welcome and aroma of coffee and tea that always awaits you on your arrival, we have a team of top experts to show you how everything works. We can help you and advise you on everything you see. At Sign In Digital Materials, we want to make life as easy as possible for our customers and help them grow the business. And we're here to support you all the way. And we look forward to you visiting our Creative Centre.